Weather Service in Charleston has issued a winter storm warning for Jackson County for snow, sleet, and freezing rain, effective until 10 a.m. Wednesday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Sleet and freezing rain is expected overnight. Ice accumulation potential of 2 to 3 tenths of an INCHM, with snow and sleet accumulations up to 1 inch. Hazardous travel conditions are possible due to reduced visibilities in snow, sleet, and ice accumulations, especially on untreated roads. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of sleet and ice are expected or occurring. Strong winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Please report snow, sleet, and ice accumulations to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. This phone number is to be used for reporting purposes only. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather.gov/ROX.